We got the good stickers. Eric and Great Western Buildings have sent us some things. So we're going to open them and show you what's up. The labels on this side. Hide it. It might be heavy because adhesive kids. Let's see. Yeah, there's two of them. Nope, that's it. They're just heavy.
Alright.
Okay, we're gonna put them back in then. Great Western Buildings just really wanting to see crazy stuff happen on the a decision was made and a couple of motors were sent to us. So here's the Pro X adhesive kit. I don't think I have one of these for the N1560 as well. So I'm gonna wait till we have everything and just kind of compile this all into one big unboxing video. But are they all stuck together, or can we just pull one green box out? Ooh. Great Western Building sent us not one, but two CTI 3400s. Dude, what a crazy sentence.
Yeah.
So yeah. Right now they're both mine because Postar's not level 3, but realistically they were purchased as sort of a dare to put them in 5-inch Punishers. Postar's, I believe, will be able to handle it because his hasn't been built yet, so he can build it to handle it. Mine, no. There's no way.
It won't.
But Patreon people will know that there's another Punisher that I have sitting up there that's not built yet that is a lot more optimized for, say, an O motor. So that is what we will be putting mine in, I believe. But I don't know. I like my 5-inch Punisher.
Yeah.
So I'm like, I don't want to kill it. So, but you know, I guess, you know, we gotta please the sponsors. We'll see what happens. But I think the other one's cool too.
Yeah.
Here, let me see this. How you feeling about your 5-inch Punisher taking an 3400?
I'm afraid of it. I'm afraid of the motor.
Dude, why? Like blowing up or just
shredding?
Yeah, no. 3400s don't blow up.
Yeah. Like they're just gnarly though.
They are gnarly.
Like it's not N5800 gnarly.
No.
It's still hardcore.
Ras Arrow on the 5-inch Punisher says Mach 2.7.
Yeah.
Easy. I did look. This thing did 2.2.
Yeah.
With JB Weld fillets and some haphazard degassing that probably still reintroduced air into the fillets anyway.
Yeah.
If you Proline 4500, you do appropriately sized fillets, you properly prep everything, it's gonna be fine.
I think it'll take it, but that doesn't stop the fact that I'm afraid.
No, yeah, you should be. If it's an O motor in a 5-inch rocket. It is scary, but you build the rocket for the O, and it'll for sure take your M that you drew your level 3 with.
Yeah.
Then to immediately turn around and celebrate with the O motor flight is crazy. And Eric from Great Western Buildings actually is also building a 5-inch Punisher for his level 3. The secret project wasn't supposed to be happening anytime soon, but of course now I have the components and now there's a motor, so it's looking like I may have been coerced into getting that done for balls as well. The O3400s and the N1000 minimum diameter at balls and the 2-stage.
Yeah.
Which is a lot. And it's not too much to fly at balls in one weekend, but it might be too much to fly at balls at one weekend and still film like a normal video like I usually do. But maybe we can just pay Postart to do video stuff, unless you're going to plan on combating Wilkerson and Nadine.
I wasn't planning on it.
So maybe Postart can film for us. And then we can still get a balls video, still get the full fail compilation experience. But yeah, 2 O3400s. This is just part 1 of the unboxing stuff because we have a lot of stuff on the way. like SoundCloud rappers. Big things coming.
Yeah.
All right, the next phase of the unboxing.
Yup, shout out to the people over at Lock Precision.
Particularly Mike for making this happen.
Yeah.
But Dave and Jay, thanks for allowing this to happen, I guess is fair to say.
Yeah.
This is why at the beginning of the LDRS videos it says brought to you in part by our friends at Lock Precision PML. Let's see.
Stickers.
Oh yeah, we got some stickers.
Dude, I love these.
Nah, we got mini mags.
Yup.
One for each of us. Now we can do the energy drink mini mag drag race, and this is why Taylor needs to fix his. I'm doing rain, and then are you just gonna do a different flavor Red Bull?
Yeah, I haven't decided which one yet.
They look so big for some reason.
They do.
But yeah, there you go. Couple of mini mags. Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
All right, another unboxing. Here we go. Whoa, what's this? Put the camera over there because our address is on the box. Is that Just Keep Building Rockets APCP Nigel the Rocket Cat? I'd rather be flying rockets, and I literally kind of burn money stickers. All right, hold on. Let me talk about that for a second. I know you don't literally burn money, okay? You literally use your money to buy propellant that burns. You don't have to buy the sticker if you don't like it, but you should buy the sticker, or at least, some of them. They're available in a mix and match 5-pack at rocketvlogs.square.site right now. Link will be in the description and the pinned comment. Now through July 4th, every sticker you buy is an entry to win a $200 Wildman gift card from our friends at Great Western Buildings. Yes, the same Great Western Buildings that sent us the 2 O-motors you saw. Yeah, rocketvlogs.square.site. Last time we sold out of the stickers in 8 hours. So we have made so many more. But yeah, I don't know how fast they're going to sell still. So don't wait. Every sticker you order from rocketvlogs.square.site is one entry to win the $200 Wildman gift card. Oh, it's long this way. Yeah, I'm in the whole fiberglass sanding getup. I don't know if this is going to be out, or if that build is going to be out before I post this video. I don't think so. But you don't get to know what it is. Patreon people already know. So do the channel members that press the join button right below. But you guys do get to know what's in here, even though they already know as well about this. But we showed you already the 2 03400s, and obviously we can't just put those in nothing. So here's my new CTI Pro 98 6XL hardware set that I purchased from Sunward. God, this is a big case. Sunward had them in stock, so shout out Sunward. Eric from Great Western Buildings got one as well, and he said there might be a couple left if anybody happens to be looking for one. There you go. O-motor case. Alright guys, we're gonna unbox the last package. Is what I would say if UPS hadn't delayed it for 2 days. And I'm so unbelievably mad about this because this is something that you cannot replace. It is a childhood bucket list rocket kit that I've wanted. So literally I could give you the date, May 31st, 2008, the first high power rocket I ever saw fly on an M-motor, Vern Knowles rocket. And this manufacturer has been out of business for a long time, and I believe they were only around for 4 or 5 years. The kits were super expensive back in the day. It's not to say it wasn't super expensive now, but I got mad lucky. Someone heard on the podcast that I wanted one, and I traded them a motor case for it, which is super awesome. It would be much more super awesome if it was here. It's an emergency situation outside of our control, caused a delay. It's an hour away from me. It was supposed to come today, and now they switched it to tomorrow too. So yeah, I guess, sorry. I'm going to reveal what it is on Patreon and talk about that. But yeah, don't forget, rocketvlogs.square.site. You can go check out the stickers. Every sticker you buy is an entry to win the Wildman $200 gift card. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Braden Carlson. You just watched a Rocket Vlogs video. In the next one, hopefully, we'll be starting the build on this super rare rocket kit. And there's a rocket over there that you guys can't see that I need to finish as well. We've got some cool stuff coming to fly. And think maybe I'm gonna do my spool as well. I've been letting that cook for a little bit, and we got way too many rocket motors just sitting around. We need to fly stuff, and we need to fly stuff that's gonna stay under loose iron's wafer because it's only it's under an hour from our house. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bitch.